What's your problem?
It all started when I was a kid.
I was different from other kids. I didn't want to play tag, eat candy, run around, get good grades, get into good college, drop out of college, get married, start my own business, invest all of my savings into cryptocurrency, all for the market to crash, leaving me to resort to a lifelong addiction to alcohol. And then I found out my wife was actually a guy the whole time. No, I never wanted to do any of that. I only wanted to play the hardest snare feature. When I was a kid, I didn't have a dad. I never went to get ice cream after school. I'd always just practice drumming with my hands on the floor because I didn't have enough money to get a drum pad. And then one day my dad took me to get ice cream, and after that we went to Lone Star Percussion to buy a practice pad and sticks, and that's when I saw the Blue Devils. After that, I went home and practiced for hours. After a while, I got bored, so I wanted to learn the hardest snare feature. Immediately, I started to practice what I learned, such as 16 on a hand, at that point, I'm pretty much ready to play any snare feature, so why not just play the hardest snare feature? Eventually, I mustered the courage to play it in front of my first audience. The boy I liked at that time was there too. In the end, he didn't like it, and I was going to quit until this girl messaged me and told me to keep drumming. I practiced harder every day, and at first it was hard. I knew that this was the path to playing the hardest snare feature one day. And then boom! Sack over my head, and next thing I know, I'm in a dark room or something.
Hardest snare feature. You will play the hardest snare feature. Play. Okay. Hardest drum feature. Drum feature. Drum feature. Drum feature. Drum feature. Artist snare play. Artist snare feature.
And that's my story. I have a video of that. You wanna see it? Oh, it's gone.